sewage generation in India more than 72,000 million liter per day, and actually we are treating less than 30%. Rest of the 70% wastewater is directly discharged into the nearest natural water body. To address this issue, CSIR NEERI has designed, developed and patented technology that is known as a upflow compact constructive wetland based sewage treatment plant. Why I call that compact? Because it includes preliminary, primary, secondary and tertiary treatment in a single system. An entire system work on the upflow pattern without using any electromechanical device. This reactor designed in a circular and rectangular module. So depend on the site condition, it will be modified their shape. And this reactor in designed in two parts. First is a upflow floating surface constructed wetland, and second is a upflow subsurface constructed wetland. Here we have provided the different layer of different size of the media to provide the proper filtration and also provide the surface for microbial growth to degrade that organic matter and wetland plant to uptake the nutrient present in the wastewater. This reactor required a minimum energy to feed the sewage into the storage tank. After that, entire system work on the gravity without using any electromechanical device. Here you can see the inlet water quality. This reactor required a 24-hour hydraulic retention time. After that 24 hours, we get that this treated water. Here you can see the treated water. Except drinking, we can utilize for this treated water for gardening, floriculture, road washing and cleaning. Except drinking, we can utilize for other purpose. Here you can see the difference between inlet and outlet quality. The unique feature of this technology is required a less footprint, which is more suitable for the urban and rural areas, and this technology required a least operation and maintenance cost in compared to the any conventional sewage treatment plant, and this technology is a most silent sewage treatment plant. For more information, please contact to principal inventor and director CSIR NEERI.